Oh, stage eh? Sawa. Oh. Thank you. So Governor Sophie speak up and dynamic on the phone. Yeah. Okay. Moral. So guys, we already go to Kisii University. Hi, my name is Alfredo Dipo and I want to welcome you to another amazing episode on my channel. My content revolves around travel and lifestyle and just good vibes in general. Please consider subscribing. I'm in Kisii just to explore as I always do, to make sure I bring you amazing content. This is my surrounding. So you see this? So Kisii is so full of nature, by the way, for those who don't know. It's so full of nature and it's so green. There's a lot of food in Kisii because of the weather. And it's majorly known for bananas. Cheers. Let's go. Yeah, so that's where I'm putting up. So let's walk outside to the road. Get a motorbike straight to Capital roundabout. So there was maize here, guys. It's like it's already been harvested. See how green the trees are. I think this is the tropical climate. So the apartment is just next to the road. See it? And then the road is here. So let's see if we can find a motorbike guy. And it's about 4-5. Oh yeah. Get me. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh. Niaje mtu wangu?
Wapo.
Naenda Capital roundabout.
Sawa.
Pesa ngapi?
70.
Haya. Naweza kulipa na M-Pesa? Sawa. Niko sawa. So guys, we are at the station, fueling first and then we proceed with our journey. You can still see the banana plants, lots and lots of them. So as I told you, Kisii is known for bananas. And then it has these winding roads. Kisii is a highland, so that's why there are a lot of these curvy roads. Look at that hill. Amazing. Sasa hapa tumeingia tao, si ndio? Oh, stage eh? Sawa. Oh. Someone tried to snatch my camera. You saw him? But he was just joking though. Oh, what a busy town. Oh, in your capital roundabout, eh? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so guys, we just got to the capital roundabout. So I'll alight somewhere around here. And the street is so busy. Was. So let me pay up and then call my friend. He lives around this place. Chelimane. Yo guys, I just met up with my guy Chelimane. Machuo wazi. Tari. Show ilikuwaje jana mtu wangu?
Ilikuwa mbaya.
Uliua? Chinja huwa? Hatare. Noma.
Sasa ile ni club?
Noma sana.
Ile ni club?
Gani?
Ile ya juu ni club.
Rafiki nishaisikia but sijai kuja.
Ile ya juu. Rafiki si ya chini.
Hii na imeandikwa cream hapo juu.
Hii ni club. Then chini yake ni club. Then kando yake ni club.
Oh, we
hii club na ile club zimeseparatiwa na ukuta.
Noma. Mimi niko BM tu wangu. Yo guys, so this is my friend Chelimane. Chelimane ni aje maze? Yeah, so I just linked up with Cheli. We are in Kisii town and this is the first spot he's brought me. We want to eat and then from here we see what next. So he's just trying to tell me, show me around maze. Ameonyesha machuo hapa. Sijui mara club gani iko pale. Ingine iko huku, ingine iko juu. Ingine imeseparatiwa na ukuta. Yeah guys, so it's about to be a fun evening and I'm loving every bit of this. So stay tuned for more.
Sema kamoja hata uzio ni watatu.
This is the Porsche restaurant, guys, and this is their menu and the prices. So they have variety of foods. Yeah, see that? Not bad. Not bad. They also have the vegetarian table for vegetarians. They also have the Chinese corner, sweet and sour chicken, Chinese fried rice, Chinese stir-fried vegetables, fish and garlic sauce. We also have the Indian's corner, where there's this aloo matar, masala chicken, chicken curry, eggs curry, chicken dhania. Yeah, and then they have the drinks menu. Yeah. So This place is just next to Capitol Hill. Remember, this is where I alighted. I just alighted here, met my friend here, and the Porsche restaurant is just next to it.
Thank you. Yeah, bro,
Deadly. Food is here now. Let's dig in.
You get paid.
The food is actually so nice. I'm really enjoying it, man. Wait.
You're making money out of it.
Yeah, so guys, we're done eating.
The Porsche.
Yeah, so we're done eating at the Porsche Hotel. So right now I'm going to see a friend of mine at Kisii University, which is like a kilometer, 2 kilometers, which is like 2 kilometers away from town. So we are just stretching a bit to let the food flow, and then we take a motorbike and head over to Kisii University. And there are a lot of bikes here, guys, as you can see. And it is the rush hour. People are leaving work, heading home. Too many bikes. Reminds me of the streets of Champala. Yeah, and it seems like it wants to rain, so we better be quick.
Vitu zako unazana kama seta ama ni zingine ni unaweza ongea.
Like kuongea aje? Unajua hata sasa bado ni kuongea.
Siongelee bei. Endelea na kumpa mmoja wako.
Like one item. What's this
For Office of the County Commission. Sunday
Oh, okay. So guys, we're just taking a stroll in town as we walk towards Kisii University. So just doing window shopping, and being that I'm the guest here, I'm the one who has a lot to see. Like, this is the county government of Kisii. See that? This is the county government of Kisii. Yeah. So Governor Sophie speak up and dynamic on the phone. Yeah. Okay. Morale. Yeah, so it's drizzling. We better be quick, man. Tricky, son.
1 minute you're booming,
The next go down. So guys, we already go to Kisii University. Just trying to call my friend, but his line is busy, so we're still gonna buy time around here. Chelu, umesema unanipeleka base ya?
Nipeleke base ya Mshikaki.
So let's go.
Town.
Kule nyama mazi. But nimeshiba, bro. So we're going to have some bites, courtesy of my friend Chelly. We're going uphill, man. Where?